Hello. This week was my birthday, July 5th. And my mother loves to give me like a kit, all different birthday gifts. And one of them was this beautiful Brompton. Yes, it's not a toy Brompton. It's a Brompton that you can put in your shelf because it's a bit fragile, but it's so cute. And I would like to share with you because this week I had no time to do a proper video. I'm so sorry because I don't like big parties. So what I do is lots of small reunions, you know, like lunch, breakfast. And July 5th was so fun. I woke up 10 after 4 and got ready at 5:30 in the morning. I start going uphill to Vista Chinesa. Vista Chinesa is beautiful. Oh, I love this ride. It was dark. I started at dark, and when I got there, it was just beautiful sunrise. Oh, it's magical. And then I came down. I played tennis with my friends at doubles. Mixed doubles was so very nice. And then I had a birthday cake for my friends at the tennis club. And then we had lunch, a whole day lunch with my family and some friends from the tennis. And Thursday, I celebrate with the friends from the bicycle. Yes, that was so cool. And Sunday, as you know, I love sports. So Sunday, I'll celebrate with my friends from beach tennis. Have you ever heard about beach tennis? Yes, beach tennis is a very new sport. It has like 20 years. It's brand new. And if you want to know more about it, I'm thinking about doing a special video just about beach tennis and showing all the beaches that we have in Rio. I think it would be cool. Let me show you a little bit more of this beautiful, cute little bike. So small, so nice. Not the same though. Actually, that was my dream bike. You know, all black with or fuchsia or red, you know, the frame. So that's my little dream bike. Is it cool? Let me show you. So small. Oh, it's so cool. I like it. But you know what? I I think I'm gonna fix little things here, and I'm gonna share with you the little things that I fixed, like this here. See, it's too loose. It goes down all the time. But it's so cute. Mommy, Mom, I love it. That was beautiful. A very nice birthday present. I will fix little things. Yeah. Little things that I think I should be glue on it. Because they don't move, you know. I love my birthday present. It was so cute. I'm gonna put next to my other mini bikes. And sorry if I didn't have time for make a big video. It was my birthday. But next week we're gonna have a very nice video. Friend of us, subscriber, request a video about the difference between the P line and the T line and the things that they are the same. So I'm working on it. It's a long video. It demands a long time to edit. Oh, I do have to fix this. Hope you like it. Bye-bye.